If you ever walk past a house and notice a certain warning sign, it may look harmless at first, but it can carry a message you should never ignore. Sometimes, what seems like a perfect home on the surface can hide serious problems underneath. That is why awareness is not just useful, it is essential. A house is more than walls and a roof. It is where your safety, peace of mind, and future are supposed to be protected. But there are signs that suggest otherwise. For example, repeated for rent or for sale. Signs appearing and disappearing quickly can indicate unresolved issues. It may be structural damage, legal disputes, or problems with neighbors that force people to leave again and again. Another red flag is visible. Neglect, cracked walls, damp ceilings, mold stains, or a strong, musty smell. These are not just cosmetic issues. They often point to deeper problems like water leakage, poor maintenance, or even unsafe living conditions that can affect your health over time. You should also pay attention to the surroundings. If neighbors seem uncomfortable talking about the property, or if there is an unusual silence in an otherwise busy area, that can be a subtle warning. Sometimes the truth about a house is not inside it, but in the experiences of those who lived nearby. The important lesson here is simple. Never rush into buying or renting a home based only on appearance or price. A beautiful exterior can hide a costly mistake. Always inspect carefully, ask questions, and trust your instincts when something feels off. Because when it comes to your safety and your future, it is always better to walk away early than to regret it later. Hidden dangers in houses. A house may look perfect from outside, but can hide serious problems underneath that affect safety and comfort. A house may appear attractive and well designed from the outside, but appearances can often be misleading when it comes to choosing a safe and reliable place to live. One of the most important things to understand is that not every beautiful property is a good investment or a safe home. Sometimes there are hidden problems that are not visible during a quick visit. These issues may include structural weaknesses, plumbing faults, electrical hazards, or even long-term maintenance. Neglect that has been covered up with paint or temporary repairs. Over time, these hidden problems can become serious and expensive to fix. And in some cases, they can even make the house unsafe for living. Another concern is that frequent changes in ownership or tenants can signal that something is wrong with the property. People often leave quickly when they face repeated issues, such as leaks, noise problems, or legal disputes. That is why it is very important to observe carefully before making any decision. A smart buyer or renter should always take time to inspect every corner of the house, ask detailed questions, and not rely only on first impressions. Careful observation and patience can help prevent future regrets and ensure that the home chosen is truly safe, stable, and worth the investment. Warning signs in listings and movement. Repeated buying, selling, or renting of the same house can indicate unresolved issues like damage or disputes. Another important warning sign when evaluating a house is the condition of its structure and environment, which can reveal problems that are not immediately visible but can seriously affect your living experience. When you enter a property, you should carefully observe the walls, ceilings, floors, and even the air quality inside the rooms. If you notice damp patches, peeling paint, water stains, or a persistent musty smell, these are strong indicators of moisture problems or hidden leakage. Such issues are not only expensive to repair, but can also lead to health problems like allergies and respiratory issues if ignored for a long time. In addition, cracks in walls or uneven flooring may suggest deeper structural instability, which could become dangerous in the future. Beyond the physical structure, the surrounding environment also plays a key role. Physical damage, as red flags, cracks, damp walls, mold, or bad smells, often point to deeper structural or health-related problems. Another critical factor that should never be ignored when judging a house is the behavior of previous residents and the history of the property itself. A home carries a kind of silent record through the experiences of the people who lived there before. If you discover that a house has changed tenants or owners repeatedly within a short time, it is important to question why that is happening. Frequent turnover is often a sign that something deeper is wrong, whether it is constant maintenance issues, legal complications, or even an uncomfortable living environment that pushes people to leave quickly. In some cases, disputes between neighbors or property owners can make daily life stressful and difficult, even if the house itself looks fine on the surface. It is also wise to ask local people about the property, because they often know details that are not shared by sellers or agents. Sometimes, a house may have a history of accidents, water damage, or unresolved structural repairs that are not fully disclosed. Environment and neighbors matter. The behavior of neighbors and the overall atmosphere around the house can reveal hidden truths about the property. Another important aspect that people often overlook when evaluating a house is the quality of maintenance and how well the property has been cared for over time. A well-maintained home usually reflects responsible ownership, while a neglected one can be a warning sign of deeper, ongoing problems. Small details can reveal a lot. For example, doors that do not close properly, leaking taps, broken switches, or poorly repaired areas may suggest that issues have been ignored instead of properly fixed. Over time, such neglect can turn minor defects into major expenses. It is also important to pay attention to electrical and plumbing systems, because hidden faults in these areas can create serious safety risks, such as short circuits or water damage. Importance of careful decision-making. Always inspect thoroughly. Ask questions and avoid rushing into decisions to prevent future regret. One of the most important, yet often ignored factors when choosing a house is the overall emotional feeling and instinct you experience when you enter the property. While logic, inspection, and research are essential, your intuition can also play a powerful role in identifying whether a place is truly suitable for living. Sometimes, a house may look perfect on paper with all the right features and a good price, but still feel uncomfortable or unsettling when you are inside it. This feeling should not be dismissed too quickly, because it can be your mind picking up subtle signs that are not immediately obvious. It could be the atmosphere, the silence, the lighting, or even the energy of the space that feels slightly off. In addition to intuition, the reactions of other people can also be revealing. If family members or companions feel uneasy or reluctant, it may indicate underlying issues worth investigating further.